and welcome to an episode of MrShaves. Pow! Today we're going to be shaving some stuff. With some stuff, we're going to be shaving. Shave. First of all, pre-shave, we're going to be using Well Groomed Wizard beard oil, bergamot, and mandarin. Then we're going to be following along using the brush that I purchased a while ago. It's a badger hair brush from Haryali on Amazon. And we're going to be moving along the chain with Margarita in the Arctic. And finally, to finish off, Osage rub as a post-shave wake-up. Today's shave is about a refreshing morning shave, or an evening shave if you're going to go out. We're talking wake up, get up. You don't want to go to sleep. You want to wake up. You want to have a shave. Shave, wake up, get on with things. And this shave, I think, will do the trick. So we're going to be using a 1966 Gillette Superspeed that I purchased from eBay some time ago. I really like this one. It's really slim. It's has the Bombay doors. It's not adjustable, but it's pretty. I think it's not an aggressive one. It's a little bit off that. It's in between mild and aggressive. And just in case, because I've got a new razor in there. What is it called? Razor blade, Astra Platinum, Superior Platinum blade. And just in case, you've got Haryali Alum Block to block any blood. So I'd like you to come with me, join me on my journey of shaving. We're going to be shaving the face. If you're thinking, I always use Gillette, I use cartridge razors, it just is a functional thing. What I'm here to tell you is more to function. Let's make it a thing. It's a thing for you. It's an investing in you as a shaving gentleman or lady. Come and join me. So first of all, if you want to have a good shave, you want to reduce any razor rash if you've got a particularly sensitive beard. So nice hot water on a flannel on your face. Feels good. Feels nice. Just want to kind of get that skin ready for a shave. In the UK, it is a beautiful, beautiful day. The sun is out. It's warm. I feel like sometimes in the throes of winter, when it's cold and rains all the time, and then suddenly you go out the door on your way to work or at the weekend, and it's all sunny, and it's like it's been sunny for ages. It's like, don't you realise it's been summer for about 3 weeks? It doesn't feel like it. It feels like it was just yesterday was winter and today it's really summery. So I'm going to put this on. This is Well Groomed Wizard beard oil, bergamot and mandarin. It's one of these pipette things. I'm going to put 2 on because I want to try out the Nif. Basically, that tastes like, it smells like even a mandarin or a tangerine. It's basically like rubbing a tangerine on your face. It's not strong. It's quite a mild smell. But also, the oil feels quite thick, which you need. Because that's protecting the skin against the blade, especially on your first run. So that's good. That's good. Smells nice. Okay. Round 1 done. Round 2. Margaritas in the Arctic. I see this a lot in America, some of the shaving reviewers, and I bought this from shavingtime.co.uk. And I love this. Really kind of mentally, and I'll tell you about it when I have a go, because I have had a quick go on it, because I wanted to try. In it, beef tallow, stearic acid, aqua, which I presume is water, well I know is water, castor oil, potassium, and some other stuff. Oil, blah blah blah, fruit juice, menthol, sodium lactate. That's a fresh smell. That is really nice. That's a minty, sweet, fruity smell, kind of smell, like a margarita, I guess, in the Arctic. So, okay, so we've had my brush, my badger brush, Haryali badger brush, soaking in some water, just to kind of prepare it. Got the soap. I'm going to get it in there. Pick up a load of this stuff. God, you really get the waft, the smell. Oh yeah. Let's get that in a bowl. That smells really nice. Let's lid up. Don't need any more than that. Okay. Okay, so I've shaken this off a couple of times so that the water's not dripping. And we've got soap, and we lather up. And I do this in the bowl to not make a mess. So I'm going round, but I'm pushing down a little bit just to get the air in. And it comes up with quite a quick, thick soap. Oh, that smells really nice. It's got the menthol. You can feel it's not just minty, it's kind of menthol. Just think it's an early morning, say 5 o'clock, you're getting up early for an early day's work, or you've got an event. This will help you wake up. Oh yeah. Slap it on. Feels nice. Smooth. That feels nice. Okay, it's going to level off. Okay, God, where it touches your lip, it's minty, so you get that kind of tingly kind of feeling. Oh. That's a really fresh smell. Okay, here we go. My new Astra Blade. That's good. Leveling on. Okay, now the sides. Every time you take a stroke, you feel protected by the soap, but also the oil underneath. Feels nice. Just thinking about it being a morning shave, there's that kind of tingly, warm feeling you get from menthol sometimes. Okay. Yeah, I think what I like about this one is this soap, it feels quite, it's got a natural, the smell is quite natural, it's not kind of chemical. It doesn't feel like it's been added, like a dose. It just feels like a natural smell. And that, I think, is important. My neighbours have got a cold. Okay, that was good. Round 1, done. Oh, round 2 done. Round 3, let's begin. So I'm going to give it a bit more of a zhuzh. I think if you're having a shave in the mornings or in the evenings or whenever you shave, I think it's good to perceive it as something that's good for you and invest in you. I mean, everyone's going to see your face. You can't hide your face. So why not invest in some care of said face? It's good for your skin. You can feel it's as smooth. It just feels so smooth, and the lather's really thick. I mean, it's not budging. It's like whipped cream. And you get that beautiful smell, that really nice smell that makes you just soothes you. It's like a de-stressor. You've got these things that you can de-stress with. Well, de-stress with a shave. Because you're worth it. Right. Round, whatever it is. I find when I shave, I've gone along that way because that's you're going against the grain. Some people go with the grain, I just go against it. Then I change angle for the second time round just to make sure you get all the hairs. And if you keep it in a line and you're not swerving around, I think you're reducing the amount of razor rash. And you don't push the razor into you, you just rest it and drag it. You don't need to push it. A bit of a nick. That's good. That's done the trick. It's really done the trick. Okay, do the sides. That feels nice. Feels really nice. If you close your eyes, it's like, I think I'm like having margaritas in the Arctic. That's what it feels like. And this is going to go really well for a wake up splash with Osage rub at the end. It may knock me out because Osage rub is like a law unto itself. I'm sure you could, if you put too much on, you could really blast your face off. It's that powerful. That's all I need. So 2 rounds shaving, 2 passes. I'm going to rinse it off. Margaritas in the Arctic, the company Stirling Soap, make their own stuff. It's artisan, so it's not like a big company that makes thousands. And I've got a batch number on it. So it really is a tailored kind of smell for your face. Tailored stuff, good for you. And a little bit different to the usual stuff. Let's dry the face. Okay, that feels really nice, really fresh. I'm ready for the day. Come on, day, I'm ready for you. Just to blast any cobwebs that would dare to be there after the Margaritas in the Arctic. Wonderful stuff by Stirling Soap, the Stirling Soap Company, who do loads of different really good quality stuff. I'm going to put on Osage rub. So I've had the minty Arctic, and now I've got invigorating splash for head and face. Lotion Tonifante. Apply briskly for that once all over tingly feeling. Okay. So I'm going to put. Oh, now that is really minty. That is really fresh. And it goes really well with Margaritas in the Arctic, which has got that minty menthol thing. But the Osage rub kind of slaps your face out. It's like, I've had a shave, I'm relaxed, I'm invigorated, and then along comes Osage rub and boots you out the door for the day. So I recommend that. Those two go really well together. So I'll have a go getting some Osage rub. I found this online. I can't remember where it was, but there's loads of different places. Shavingtime.co.uk. I bought Margaritas in the Arctic. And also I bought this Wizard beard oil, which is nice, kind of mandarin, tangerine smell, but thick. Also the razor was on eBay. And I didn't need this Haryali alum block, which I think is good. Oh, maybe I will. So there you go. Hope you have a nice shave. Join me on my journey where there's going to be more reviews of random stuff to do with shaving. I want you to stop using cartridge razors and the usual Gillette spray. I want you to use the stuff that I think you deserve. Come join me. I'll see you next time. Arrivederci.